Let's start this off right. I'll let them speak.
希望美國嗰邊可以係聽日盡快通過呢個人權民主法案，令到香港可以真正有本身2008、2007有嘅普選，係中英聯合聲明承諾俾香港。
Can you already notice how much more intelligent and more sincere and honest the protesters are in Hong Kong than over here, where they don't even know why they're angry at Trump, but they just want to scream and yell and push an agenda? Because this guy is not being paid to care about what he's talking about. Over here, they're just a bunch of puppet retards. Okay, moving on.
This is Beijing! Liberate Hong Kong! This is Beijing! Liberate Hong Kong! This is Beijing! Liberate Hong Kong!
其實我希望今次法案會可以幫助到香港實行雙普選，從而達至到真正嘅自治。
Again, a more coherent statement than all of the footage you'll ever find from the mainstream media about protesters against all the liberty fighting bullshit that they do here. Basically, the self-enslavement protests to become more dependent on the government rather than more independent.
希望美國嗰邊可以係聽日盡快通過呢個人權民主法案，令到香港可以真正有。
See that?
Sacrifice us through the perilous fight.
Remember these images next time some mainstream media outlet tells you that there was violence broke out during the protests and that these guys are all terrorists. No, they have people that infiltrate crowds and then cause riots, and then they blend in and make themselves look like the actual people there trying to liberate themselves. Or the police or the other authorities instigate it, and then you see them defending themselves and it looks like they caused a riot. It's all just bullshit. Look at that. If that doesn't move you, I don't know what will. Honestly. I don't know what it'll take. If that doesn't almost bring you to tears, I'm not really sure what you are required.
Break down, no break down, cold up. Rise up, no rise up, show up. Lock down, no lock down, cold up. International come up. Break down, no break down, cold up. Rise up, no rise up, show up. Lock down, no lock down, cold up. International come up. What about the state of the union? What about the gays of the union? What about the kids don't matter? What about the terror strike? You don't know what it is like. What it's like, what it's like. Break down, no break down, cold up. Rise up, no rise up.
And rise us through the perilous fight. All the ramparts we watch were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say the stars sprinkle, then not yet wave. Oh, the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Lock down, no lock down, cover up. International cover up. Break down, no break down, cover up. Rise up, no rise up, show up. Lock down, no lock down, cover up. International cover up. What about the kids get rattled? What about a tunnel battle? What about the kids that are dreaming? What about the kids that